You're looking for lighting. Decorate your game room, buy the TV, buy the computer, a kid's room, anywhere imaginable. It's simply by turning on. It has a memory where it left off. This is your lights, Hexagon light, up to 56 on the kit. We're going to show you how simple it is to set up and install. And I hope you enjoy this review. From the makers of OJQ comes a Hexagon light 6-pack. They are interchangeable with other 6-packs that you could make multiple designs on the wall. We're going to open up, show you what you get in the box, and what we could do with the 6 Hexagon poles. The product is application driven for iOS and Android. You're given a guide with the application. The instructions are quite easy to use. Inside are 8 self-adhesive stickers with the 6 Hexagon poles. On the Hexagon side, we have the locations for the USB port, 5 of them, and the 6th one on top. You're given a remote controller with the wire to hook up. There are 5 buttons, voice activated, change modes, and more. The mic sensor, the different controls, and the LED, the USB-A ports. Inside the box, you're going to require 2 AAA batteries for the remote control, and all the controls on there. Laid out on the tables, all the parts. The optional AAA batteries, simply slide them into the remote control, close up, and simply plug in just one of the units to your own optional 5 volts. When you turn it on, you have R, G, B, your audio 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And your center button, 1, 2, 1, 2. You have automatic, an S, M plus, M minus, and if you keep clipping on it, you see it changes to different things. Your brightness level, increase and decrease, your R, G, and B. If you come over to the wired area, you have your audio microphone located here. Your C, you change the colors. Your on and off. Your brightness level by just simply hitting it. And an M button. We have an application, just simply grab, download the application, which is known as RGBW. Download. This is the application, just simply load it up. Open the application, register, sign in, and agree. Me, RGBW, would like to use your Bluetooth. Let's turn the unit on. Allow. Add device. It found the Hexagon light TG609. Add. Device is connecting. Press the center button for 2 seconds. It will pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set up the device. Alias. Done. You can turn off and on your light. You can change the Kelvin and change the color by the slider bar and pick the colors and save your colors. You can lower the brightness and increase the brightness. You have scenes, sympathy, energy, jump, vitality, accumulation, chase, space-time. And Pomero, flow. And you have others like forest neon light, green jade, running, pink, alarm, aurora, rainbow, and melody. You could do it yourself. Hit the new static. Pick a color. R, press number 1. Choose the color. Go to number 2. Choose the next color. Go to number 3. And just keep doing this down the road. And hit save. Put a name to it. Hit done. And go to the done. Go to the RGB. And it should do what you want to do. You have dynamic. Put a dynamic in. Pick your colors. Do the same thing. And play around. Hit save. Put a name to it. Hit done. You have music. Spectrum. Spectrum 2. Spectrum 3. Flowing. Rolling. Rhythm. You have your cog gear. How many lamps and beads can you hook up? Up to 56. Done. With 6 poles, you can go and do a straight line and straight across. You can connect them anywhere possible, like so, in the center. You cannot crisscross the unit because you'll have a problem of bumping into one another, but you can make a design like so. You can make a 3-line arrow. With 6 poles, we're going to make our own design, place them on the wall, and go from there. We've chosen our design, and we're peeling off our stickers, placing it on the back. Peel all the stickers off, do your best. Lift up, do a measurement, nice straight line. We'll shut the lights off as we talk. We have our Hexagon pole lights, and they light up just like that. Grab your phone, turn off and on your lights, pick a color you like, do a scene you love, and you have everything working via the application. You got a nice light, nice decorative light, shining bright. Do it to the music, do it to you, do it yourself, do it to one of the rhythms. I hope you enjoy your QJQ Hexagon pole lights. They can be put up to 56 stringers and they run off of 5 volts. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are after.